Hey guys, welcome back. Today's makeup video will be all about red tones. I'm wearing a red blouse and a red nail polish, and we're going to put some red makeup onto our face. I have a brown and a purple look video posted already, and I will link those above for you. I think I'm making this a series like green makeup, yellow makeup, and so on. But if you want to get ready with me using red tones, keep on watching. And if you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing all of that. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And now let's get into it. Let us start with the base. I am taking my Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. This is in the shade 1N14. I'm taking 2 pumps of that. Taking my beauty blender to blend this out. For my concealer, I'm going to use my Armani Luminous Silk. This is in the shade 4. For my bronzer, I wanted something warm, so I'm using my Benefit Hoola. For my blush, I want something a little different. I'm using my Fenty Cream Blush in the shade Rosé Latte. This is a rusty red color. I put a lot, so I'm going over that with my sponge where I put the foundation. That's better. I'm going to set my T-zone with my Wet n Wild Bare Focus translucent powder. Now for the eyes, I'm going to use my Tartelette palette, Party Palette. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take this shade on my crease as my transition color. With a pencil brush, a mini pencil brush, I'm taking the same shade on my lower lash line. This is a great muted red color. I love this color. It's a perfect transition color. Now with my MAC 221, I'm going to dip into this red and I'm going to deepen up my outer lash line. Now with a shader brush, I'm taking this shade and I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm going to take this shade and put that right here in between the matte and the shimmer. Now with my pencil brush, I'm taking this shade again and I'm going to put that right here. That's perfect. Now let's apply some mascara. I'm taking my Essence Lash Princess. No mascara on the lower lash line because I like how it looks right now. Now for the lips, I'm taking a red lip liner. And then this is my favorite red lipstick of all times. This is Laura Mercier Sienna. Alright guys, this is the final look. Alright guys, we're at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Please tag your own looks in the comments. That would make me so happy. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!